Hey, third grade, Mr. Verno here with a quick video to show you how to use this new online platform called Flipgrid that we're going to use to send some recorder videos this week. So here we go. I'm going to make myself smaller. And I believe this is about where you will be in your presentation right now, except for the only difference is that there will be a video here of me, this one right now that I'm doing to show you how to do this, okay? So you should have up here your presentation window and then your tab for Google Classroom. So we're gonna go back to Google Classroom. We're gonna go back to your week 6 music assignment here. You probably clicked on the presentation to open it. And then right next to it is the Flipgrid link. Right underneath of here too will be your check-in link. I just haven't done that quite yet. So you're gonna click on Flipgrid, and then it's going to take you to the screen to sign in or log in. If you didn't know this already, our gateway emails are actually Google accounts. So we're going to click log in with Google. And then since you have already logged in on your computer before, your account should pop up here. If it doesn't, no big deal. Just put in your gateway email and password, and you will log in to your account. So I'm going to click on mine. Login successful. Okay, so now we're on the third grade CSE third grade recorders page, and here's these lovely wooden recorders up there. And we're going to see the first grid, it's called Recorder Open Mic. And so there's a video here of me explaining the directions. So if you want to watch it, you can click on it. Hi everyone, and there I am telling you what to do. And then here is just written out what the directions are. So you're going to play Hot Cross Buns, Suo Gun, or Closet Key. And the tip is only one song per video. You only have 1 minute. These recordings are short and sweet. And then down here is the grid. So I already took a video of myself playing, actually, I broke the rules, Boots of Shining Leather, because that was more fun for me to play. All right, so you could actually click on it and watch. Hey everyone, Mr. Verno here, and I am going to play. So I'll let you watch that when you get there, and you can watch me play it. And then at the end, you actually take a picture, and then that's what shows up here. So to do yours, you have to click on the plus sign, and then it opens up your video screen. So you could click here and just go for it and play. You should tell everybody what you're going to play. You could tell them your name too if you want to. You could also mess around with all of these different things down here. So if you've ever used like Instagram or something like that, these different filters that you can use. Or you could say, nah, I just like the way it looks. You can type in some text on here, pick a color, and then it will show up. So for example, you could write us a message like, I miss you. And then once you're done, you can move it around. You can spin it around. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. Okay. So then I'm going to leave that up there. You can put an emoji. So if you don't want us to see your face, like if you're feeling a little bit shy for this first video and you don't want us to see you, you could put this sticker over your face and then we can't see you. And so then you could just play your song. Okay, so now I haven't actually recorded anything yet. So to record, you have to click the record button. And it goes 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Mr. Verno, and I'm going to play Hot Cross Buns. Okay, and then when you're done, you're going to click next. Hi, I'm Mr. Verno, and then it lets you watch your video. And if you don't like it, you could hit X and go back and redo it, or you could add more, or if you're happy with it, then you're gonna click next. And then this is where you take your selfie, okay? So that's what shows up down below. So again, if you don't want us to see your face, pick a sticker, put that over your face, and so we can't see you. You know, or if you decide, nah, you can just delete it. Or you could like draw on your face. You're like, whatever you want to do, or clear it out, or you can just take a picture. And when you're done, you click next. And then the last thing is that it is going to ask you your name. So that's where you'll put your name in there. And then for title, you should put the name of the song that you played. Okay? And then you're going to submit video. There was one more thing there I didn't say. It was the link. I don't know what that's for. Don't put anything there. If you want to download your video to your computer for yourself, you can click that here. If you want to download your picture, you can do that there. I'm not going to, so I'm going to hit complete. But look, it doesn't show up here right away. That is because I am going to get the videos first on my teacher side of this to make sure everybody's video is A-okay, so nobody's being naughty or doing something they shouldn't be doing or something like that. Okay? If you have any questions about Flipgrid, you can always send me an email, or you can type in a comment on Google Classroom and I'll get back to you and answer your question. Okay? This is supposed to be like a fun thing for us to be able to see each other and see each other playing our recorders. And you could always check in, come back later in the week to see the other videos that are posted on here. All right? Have a good week, have fun, and I will see you later.